This is a test of DJI Mic Mini.
This is what it sounds like without DJI Mic Mini on DJI Pocket 3.